Unbearable heartaches, they break my soul. A weight that I carry, with no end in sight to unfold. I'm trapped in this pain, can't find a way out, wishing to escape, to rid of this shout. My heart aches with sorrow, I can't seem to shake. Memories of you haunt me, they won't go away. I feel lost in this pain. I want to break free from the unbearable heartaches that consume me. But how do I move on from this endless ache? How do I find the strength to make this heartbreak take? The first step is to let go of the pain and the past, to find the courage to make this hurt last. Forget the moments that caused you pain, remember the happy times, and let them reign. Focus on the present, and make it bright, and don't be afraid to live with might. Embrace the future with open arms, forget the heartaches and their charms, let the wounds heal, and let the light in, and take that first step to break free from the wind. So don't be afraid to take a chance, to let go of the heartache, and find a dance with the future, a dance with life, and a chance to break free from this endless strife. Share your thoughts and spread the word by sharing and liking the video.